guys?
think it's woodland.
Wow!
But there's a lot of snow. It's not all wood. It's snowland.
Wow, that's amazing, man. Hi, how are you? Where are you? This is a very nice place. It's very pretty.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you can go ahead.
It's good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sure, you can go. Yes. It's so lovely. Yeah. So pretty. Hi.
Okay. Speak English, you know.
Speak English.
We're in
Speak English. Oh, nandito tayo ngayon.
woodland, pero maraming
Maraming snow, maraming mga
lollipop.
decoration.
Pwede bang umakyat dito?
Ano na?
Pwede bang umakyat dito?
Siguro wala namang sign na sabi, don't akyat, akyat. Oh, yun yung mga reindeer, oh. Oh. Oh, sa mga hindi alam kung nasaan si reindeer at Santa Claus, nandito po sila sa My Woodlands. Ano raw po? Nagkakaubusan daw po ng ano?
Ng candy cane. Siguro
candy
malaki ang
cane.
ano nito. Malaki ang bill ng kliyente nila.
Oh, sige, mag-donate ka.
Dito na tayo sa North.
Ito, hindi mo naman problema yun. Oh, yan.
Dito na tayo sa North Pole. Let's take a
Wow,
picture now.
awesome.
Okay, that's good for video taping.
Okay, how about Frosty? Where's Frosty? Ayun po si Frosty, kasalukuyan po nagsasunbaiting. Nagmo-moon baiting pala. Okay, say bye!
Bye!
Ako din ate. Ako din, syempre. Mamaya.
Hey, yung videographer.
Ako po yung nag-video. Merry Christmas po.
Oh, palabas ka ng ng buga ng ba, ba't parang
Oh, yun.
yung usok. Parang frozen. Okay, bye-bye. Dito yung puwet ni Santa Claus. San? Ayan daw po yung puwet ni Santa Claus.
Puwet niya yan!
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hindi pa pala tapos.